is filled with the choking fumes. Harmful fumes are pungent and persistent. The built-in turbine fan effectively recovers the smoke generated during the operation of the hood. The 3-liter filtration system maximizes the filtration of harmful gases contained in the fumes. The telescopic hose can be redirected to lock the air outlet in the area you want to work in. Ventilizing equipment is undoubtedly the most effective option when faced with the smoky operation environment. There is a large amount of dispersed smoke that fills your workplace. The smoke extraction area of the hood may seem inadequate. The portable assembly piece, which can be perfectly combined with the smoke extractor. You can use any combination of smoking equipment according to your actual usage scenario. Different combinations of smoking systems to cover all your needs in the smoking environment. The differentiation between large power and small size, which enriches your choice of smokers. For sure that the compact and powerful portable smoker will be a good partner for your creations.